Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you all doing all right, guys. I ordered the another product from Amazon, and this is a replaceable battery for my old laptop that I am having from last 7 year, almost more than 7 year maybe, but at least a 7 year. So that is not currently holding a good charge. It's kind of like a 45% hold the charging. So this battery is not good anymore inside the laptop. So I have to order it from Amazon, and I ordered from the Amazon for 36 plus delivery cost me around $40 USD here in USA. So I have to order that. That's why I ordered, because I wanted to replace it from long time. I don't get a chance. Finally I'm doing it. I'm also going to make a video on all the product unboxing and all. I just opened the box right now to just show you how's the battery. Very simple box, guys. They have like very simple packaging. Let me put aside. This is a battery, guys. This is a BYT MCH M6H, sorry. And this is my laptop, old laptop, and the model number is a MSI GE62 6QD Aperture Pro. So this is the i7 gaming laptop. I bought it in 2016, I think 2016, from Fry Electronics here in USA. And this laptop is amazing. It's hold very good up till now. It's working perfectly, no issue at all. Everything's work fine. There is it's just a battery a little bit not holding up the charge. That's why I have to replace my battery, because I wanted to keep this laptop as it is. I don't want to upgrade as much as I can use. I can going to use this. This is very powerful laptop. As you can see, this is a Core i7 laptop, 16 GB of internal RAM. Also having I upgraded the SSD for this laptop, and that one was around 2 TB right now. 2 TB SSD also it's have, so it's running very smooth, very fine. It's just having a Windows 10 inside, and that is not upgradable to 11. I don't know how is it any way or not, I don't know, but I haven't upgraded to Windows 11 yet. But this one is a very good laptop. I can suggest anyone MSI company, because it's good, I feel like. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this product also first, and I'm also going to install inside my laptop and see how's it hold the battery backup for new battery. So let me unbox this and show you how it look inside battery. So guys, very simple unboxing. It just comes with this battery, screwdrivers to have an installation easily. So that's really good. They provide that, so it's easy to replace. So let me open that first. So guys, this is the battery, guys. It's little bit of heavy side, you can say. It's not that light. And this is a specification for the rechargeable lithium ion battery, model number M6H, sorry. And it's a 51 watt hour battery. It's having a 4730 mAh inside. So this is the specification for you guys. What is the in a back side, I don't know what's that. So very simple unboxing. So now I'm going to install this inside my laptop when I get a time, but for now I'm just show you the unboxing. For now I'm continue connect with this video. After installation, I also going to put up my laptop and show you how's it holding the battery and all. Is it a good idea to replace the old battery inside and save your laptop from being a dead? So that's my whole purpose of making this video. So is it a good idea to do it or not? So like I'm going to replace that, and it might help some people who are having same problem, and they can order the replaceable battery if it's possible, because some laptop is not easy to replace the battery. But for in my case, I think it's easy to replace. So I'm going to do that and show you is it worth it or not. Hope you guys get an idea what I'm trying to say. Okay guys, so now it's time to install the battery inside my laptop. I already unscrew all the bolt from this laptop using this screwdriver, and now it's time to install. So let me open the laptop back cover first. It's not that complicated. I did a few time before also, so it's easy for me because I have a little bit of experience now how to open that. You might need to take care for the first time because you might have trouble opening, so be careful when you are opening your laptop for the first time. So let me open that first. Yes, now I just remove the laptop back cover now, and this is the battery guys, old battery that I need to replace. So I'm opening for the first time, so I'm not sure is it complicated or not. It should be easy. I just need to unbolt this screw, and it might popped up easily. So let me do that. Yes, I'm right. I just need to remove one screw and it's easily popped up from the slot. So that's very easy. Now I'm going to install the new battery inside my laptop. Hopefully it's fit easily. Okay, yeah, it's fit right in the slot properly. Very easy. Okay, so and now I just need to install this bolt back into the position and I am good to go. Maybe where is the screwdriver? Guys, I just installed, as I said, the battery, and now I'm seeing the battery analytics by this app called Pure Battery Analytics. So I am doing a little bit of analysis of my battery. It's showing design capacity 100%. My micro current capacity 102. I don't know how it 102. I'm trying to understand. So when on battery for 18 minutes on battery drop 2%, 5%. I don't know what's going on right now, but this is some more analytics of my battery. So I think I might need to discharge fully for the first time, like up till 10%, and then I'm charge back this battery using my adapter. But for now I just wait to get dropped to the 10% and then I charge again to fully. It currently says 73% remaining. So because of it's booting up the first time, it might not show the perfect calculation how's the battery performance, so I need to wait for that. So hope you guys get an idea, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. I am just sharing this information. If anybody have old laptop and want to save their laptop, this is the way you can do it, by replacing the old battery with the new one, and you can save your old laptop. That's my whole purpose of making this video. Hope you guys like this. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so I can make a more video and content like this in future also to help you out. So bye, take care for now. Thank you.